That is the safety harness hook right there. And I'll be putting it on now. This is my harness to be safe from falling. And it's required when you climb up more than 7 feet tall. Bye-bye, okay. These people should not be working on top of that roof without safety harness. Should they fall down, they will get injured or even possible die from falling down from 14 feet high. Everything on this kit I bought from Home Depot. It's a safety harness or fall protection kit. $99 from Home Depot. And this is my tool fall protection kit and everything. This is my harness that I'm wearing when I climb up to prune my twin palm. And this is the back side with a hook on it. When you're ready, this is the hook up. This is the one that goes in my back here, like that. And this one wraps around the tree like that. And this one. So should you fall down, you end up hanging at 8 feet down. So you releases at 8 feet down without touching the ground, and that's for safety.